Go.
Naka-play na lang. Tagalog niya, mahirap man ako mag-Tagalog. Di man ako
Para maintindihan nila.
Okay, ma'am.
Hi, Ate Amy.
Hello.
How are you?
Okay lang. Sleepy. Sakit ulo ko.
Okay, so I have 5 questions. And this is just about our group or
Okay.
your thoughts.
Okay.
Okay, na that we can look back in the future. We can watch and look back in the future. So,
Iiyak na ba ako?
first question. What do you think each person in this group brings that makes us complete?
Our shared humor. Paiba tayo eh. Mag-explain pa ba ako? Shared humor. Nagsisimula kay Tatang. Minsan may mga green joke siya na hindi mo siya magigets-gets. Ako naman tala-tala, minsan loading. Wala, yan lang. Shared humor.
Okay. What was the moment you felt like these are my people?
When they start telling me the real me. Sometimes, Tagalog talaga. Sige. Minsan sinasabihan nila ako ng paiba-iba desisyon, which I just realized just few months ago. Paiba-iba desisyon ko at nahawa na rin sila actually. Yan lang.
Okay. Next question. What's your favorite photo of us, or if not, moment or memory?
Favorite photo? Favorite photos is when we shared dinner or lunch or breakfast. We have pictures everywhere when we're eating together. So those are the memories that I might cherish, and something that cannot be di makakalimutan ever. We have moments na naglalaro tayo. Every weekend nag-inom, naglalaro. Kikita sa office, but sharing food together is something na I'll be grateful forever. Seeing sa inyong mga kain at nganga, laki ng mga nganga nyo. Hindi ko makakalimutan yun. Yun lang.
Okay, next. What do you think makes our group different from other friend group?
No chismis. All positivity. We only bring positive energy. Walang negative sa grupo. They're all honest. Hindi sila naninira ng buhay ng ibang tao. And all they bring is just happiness and joy. That's it.
Okay, last question. If you could leave one message for everyone watching this video 5 years or 10 years from now, what would you want us to remember?
Ay, kakaiyak. Maybe 5 years from now, I want you all, I want to see all of you successful na sa life. Maybe we can look back those times na nagjo-joke-joke tayo sa office, or times na may minsan lumalabas yung pagka-dragon, mga demonita, may mga tantrums, na babalikan natin yun. But for the next 5 years, or maybe longer than that, maybe we can go back and see what are the moments that we missed, moments na tawag dito, hindi natin makakalimutan ba yung mga galit-galitan, mga away-away natin. But soon. Or maybe time, or maybe the world give us another chance to be together again. Maybe we can meet back in the Philippines or here in KL or somewhere away from here, and maybe we can spend more time and see what's the world can offer for our friendship. I'll be missing you all. Nakakayo. Naiiyak ako. Naiiyak ako dahil. Hindi man tayo kompleto ngayon, but one day, time will come, we'll be complete again. Good luck, everyone. Hindi na ako